So if you're looking to relocate to Clovis, California and have on your wish list a Cul de Sac lot, a 4-bedroom, single story with pool, and you know that the seller's gonna pay off the solar, whoa, do we have a property for you? Ladies and gentlemen, hey, it's Rufi, Alday, your community ambassador. We get calls every day of people relocating here to the city of Clovis, California. Our family's been here for over 40 years, and that before you even think of making a move, please call, text, or email me with the contact information below. Let's have like a 10-minute conversation before you even think of road tripping out here, so I can provide you some background information on why over 30% of the Bay Area residents are moving to this special place here in the Central Valley. So without further ado, do we have a property for you? The McCaffrey built in a cul-de-sac lot is 1188 Blackwood Avenue to show you this incredible updated home here in Clovis, California. Stay tuned to the end. 1188 Blackwood Avenue. What a gorgeous home. If a 3-car garage is important to you and a serene custom courtyard, welcome to 1188 Blackwood Avenue. I am so thrilled to showcase you this turnkey, updated. We installed new carpet, new updated kitchen cabinets. Welcome to 1188 Blackwood Avenue. God bless. So you already noticed this beautiful custom door, about 8-foot doors. Look at the quality of construction. That welcomes you. We've got tile flooring throughout. And now this is what we believe will sell the house for you. A newly updated kitchen. We have repainted, refurbished all the kitchen cabinets. This is an espresso color that we have installed throughout the kitchen. We have stainless steel appliances. Gorgeous. Stainless steel knob amenities, and you get a new 5-burner gas stove. Amazing. Take a look at the vast areas that you have in the kitchen. You have options to separate into an informal or formal dining room. As if you take a look from the kitchen, you have another area for a formal, informal dining room. Incredible options. I love this model. This also can, I've seen a couple of models where you have an option, if you take a look at outside into the gated courtyard. I've seen where people have done a custom French door that has access into that area. So just a great floor plan built by McCaffrey. So this is doing the same shot. Now I'm thrilled to introduce you to the backyard. This is amazing. So recently installed pool, 2 cascades, that's perfect. It's over 90 degrees and I'm shooting with a tie and a coat. And let me tell you, I so appreciate this covered gazebo. We have solar shades, and just take a look at the soothing pool. Absolutely gorgeous. Other energy efficient features that right behind me. These solar panels, the seller will pay off the solar panels prior to close of escrow. What a bonus. And now we're venturing to the owner's suite. Beautiful walk-in closet. Custom cabinetry. Dual sink countertops. Beautiful. And so one of the remarkable features of 1188 Blackwood Avenue in Clovis, where Caffrey built, is its close proximity, a stone's throw away from Pasatiempo Park. It's absolutely gorgeous. So whether you're walking on a pet, walking with your spouse, a jog, and you want just an incredible, updated, lavish, mature landscape, look at all the trees. Absolutely gorgeous. And this is afforded to you when you purchase 1188 Blackwood Avenue. So one of the great features of Pasatiempo Park that I love and wanted to showcase with you is this synthetic padding at the playground, okay? My feet absolutely love it. It's nice and padded not only for the seniors, but the kiddos. You gotta check out this park. And so if there's any features today that pique your interest and you want a private showing, please comment below the word Blackwood and we'd be honored to do a private showing just for you and the family. And so this is Rufi Alday. Welcome to 1188 Blackwood Avenue. We'd be honored to show it to you. It's absolutely gorgeous.